everyone, welcome to Nikki's Nook. Let's make a silly look. I have a special treat for today. I've got loads of animals here. Do you know what we're going to do? We're going to sing a song with them. Right, it's the wheels on the bus. Yeah, but we're not going to sing just the normal version today, just the regular version. We're going to add some funny verses to it. Are you ready? Let's start with the one you know. Are you ready to get your hands going? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The driver on the bus says, tickets, please, tickets, please, tickets, please. The driver on the bus says, tickets, please, all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all day long. The babies on the bus go. What do the babies do? Yeah, wah, 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 that's right. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all day long. What do the mummies do? Right, shh, shh, shh. The mummies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mummies on the bus go shh, 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 all day long. The people on the bus jump up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus jump up and down all day long. The horn on the bus goes right. Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all day long. I've got some other special friends here on the bus today. Should we take a look? Who have we got? Can you see? They're a little bit small. Let's make them close. Nice and close so you can see who they are. Who is this friend? Yes! It's a doggy. The doggy on the bus goes. What sound does a doggy make? I just gave you a clue. Woof, woof. Yeah. The doggy on the bus goes woof, 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 woof. The doggy on the bus goes woof, 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 all day long. Who's this? It's a duck, right. What sound does a duck make? Yeah, quack, quack, quack. The duck on the bus goes quack, 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 quack. The duck on the bus goes quack, 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 all day long. Bye-bye. Who have we got next? Who is that? It's a pig, right. What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. Yes. The pig on the bus goes oink, 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 oink. The pig on the bus goes oink, 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 all day long. Bye-bye, pig. Oh, I wonder if you know what this animal is. Oh, I nearly dropped him. Oh, he's a brown animal here, and he's got really long legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. And he's carrying lots of heavy things on his sides with ropes wrapped around him to carry them. Starts with a k sound. Do you know what it is? It's a camel. Oh my goodness. What noise does a camel make? Do you know? Maybe. That sounds about right. The camel on the bus goes. The camel on the bus goes. All day long. Thanks, camel. We'll catch up with you later. Who's this? It's a horse. What sound does a horse make? Neigh. Right, neigh. The horse on the bus goes neigh, neigh, neigh. The horse on the bus goes neigh all day long. How would we fit a horse on the bus? Oh my goodness, maybe on the roof. Do you know what this animal is? It's a cow. Right, good job. I know what a cow makes. I know what noise it's. Meow, meow. Right? No. Oh, sorry, I've got all my animals mixed up today. I know, is it squeak, 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 squeak? No. Oh, dear, silly me. Is it? I know, it's moo, moo. Am I right? Yeah, I am. Oh, thank goodness. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 all day long. Moo. Over here, we've got one of my favorite animals. Can you see who that is? It's a kangaroo, right? And have a look. There's a baby in the kangaroo's pouch. Must be a mummy, because that's a little baby kangaroo in the mummy's pouch. It's called a joey. Can you say that? Joey. Yeah, great. Let's sing. The kangaroo on the bus goes. I think it's going to jump because they don't really make a lot of noise. Boing, 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 boing. The kangaroo on the bus goes boing, 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 all day long. Bye, kangaroo. And goodbye to all of our animal friends. Goodbye to our big bus. And goodbye to all of you at home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications of all our great new videos coming up. Bye for now.